Well, here's the water heater, and this happens to be a gas water heater, and it's just a hair too cold. Actually, it's not cold, it's hot, but it could be just a little bit hotter. So usually you'll see something like this. This says off right there, pilot, low, here's hot, here's very hot. And this thing here is lined up to B. I'm just going to turn it to between B and C, just about a third. And that's going to get it just a little bit hotter. That's all you got to do. That's on most gas water heaters. If you have an electric water heater, you may not have something like that. It might be something on a side panel. There might be a side panel that you have to unscrew and then pull this long vertical panel cover off, and then it might be inside of there. If you can't find it anywhere else, it could be over here, it could be over on this side of the water heater, it could be down kind of low. Take that off, and there might be a set screw or something where you have to turn it to the right or to the left or something. Take a look at that. I would show you if this was an electric water heater, but it's not. It's a gas water heater, and usually on most gas water heaters you'll find a box like this attached to the gas. Here's the gas line. It's on. It comes over here, and here's your little thermostat type thing right here. Okay, try that and see what happens.